We're continuing to look at linear equations, slopes, and lines. In this problem, we're going to graph the linear equation 3y equals negative 2x plus 15. Before we can graph anything, we really need to get this y by itself. We always want to take whatever the linear equation is we're given and turn it into the form y equals mx plus b, where that m stands for the slope and that b stands for the y-intercept. So what do we have to get rid of here so the y is by itself? Well, I see if I can get rid of that 3, then the y will be by itself. And since that's 3 times y, the way that I undo that is by dividing. So I divide both sides by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it cancels out. So y equals, here I need to divide there, and I need to divide there. The number on top is a negative 2 over our 3x plus, and 15 divided by 3 gives me 5. So this is going to be the equation that we're going to graph now. I have some graph paper right here. I'm going to write down the equation that we're supposed to graph. We just found that it is y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 5. That's our slope, and that is our y-intercept. Let's go on the graph right now and plot the y-intercept. Right there is where we begin. I'm going to say that this is 1 and that is 1, and that gives me a scale. What is the y-intercept here? The y-intercept here is a 5. So on the y-axis, we're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and plot that point. Now we're going to use the slope to plot every other point. Remember, this is my y-axis, and over here this is my x-axis. What is our slope? Well, our slope is negative 2 over 3. So starting from the y-intercept, we're going to go down 2. 1, 2. And then to the right, 3. 1, 2, 3. And we plot that point. Down 2 and to the right, 1, 2, 3. And we plot that point. Down 2 and over 1, 2, 3, and we plot that point. To get the other ones, we reverse that. So that's up 2 and to the left. 1, 2, 3, and plot that point. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and plot that point. That's plenty of points. We can go ahead and draw the line in. We're going to go ahead and connect those lines, and here we have a very nice graph of the line y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 5. Notice that the slope is negative and the line is slanting down. If the slope was positive, the line would be slanting up. And remember that the y-intercept, that's the place where the graph passes through the y-axis.